Hello everyone, in this video I will compare Philo and Frndly. When evaluating budget-friendly live TV streaming services, Philo and Frndly TV emerge as prominent contenders. Philo is a budget-friendly streaming service that offers over 70 live TV channels for $28 per month. It's great for people who enjoy entertainment, lifestyle, and reality TV with popular channels like AMC, Food Network, Lifetime, and A&E. The service comes with unlimited DVR storage for up to a year, so you can record shows and watch them later. Philo allows up to 3 simultaneous streams and support up to 10 users' profiles, making it convenient for families or roommates. The app is easy to use with a clean interface that works on most devices like phones, tablets, smart TVs, and streaming devices. It doesn't include sports or local channels, so it may not be ideal if you want live sports or local news. Frndly TV is an affordable streaming service focused on family-friendly content with plans starting as low as $7.99 per month. It offers popular channels like Hallmark, TV Weather Channel, Me TV, and other wholesome entertainment options. The service supports HD streaming and has DVR features on some plans, allowing you to record and watch shows later. Frndly TV lets you stream on multiple devices at the same time, making it convenient for families. The interface is simple and easy to navigate even for beginners. While it doesn't include major sports or local channels, it's perfect for viewers who want safe, family-oriented programming. In my opinion, Philo is better for a wider range of entertainment channels, while Frndly TV is better for affordable, family-friendly content. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.